Hello and welcome to another episode of Endless Adventures. Today we travel to Doha on Qatar Boeing 787 and here's our trip review. If you could drop us a like and please subscribe and we'll dive straight into it at Manchester Airport. Arriving at Manchester Airport Terminal 2 departures on a rainy Sunday evening, we were ready to check in for our flight to Doha. Once through the bright brand new terminal, we're heading to the far end where the Qatar check-in desks were located. There was a few for business and first class, but the economy was all with these standalone check-in counters which we had to use ourselves, and not the quickest. Over an hour to get through and check in our bags. No joke, not good. Qatar is very slow. And computers aren't faster than humans. What happened to the old bird on the check-in desk? Bring them back. Anyway, going through security. Once through security, we were heading through the departure lounge and up the bright brand new escalators to the restaurants and bars where we're going to have a quick celebratory drink before the flight. Onwards through the terminal towards the gate, which is a good 12 to 15 minute walk to where the Qatar departs from. Quick check at the departure board shows it's on time, and as we arrive at the gate, our aircraft is already there.
Qatar Airways Flight 024 departs from Doha. This is called for any passengers wishing to travel on this service to please make their way to gate 86 in preparation for boarding.
We all do this, right? Once on board, it's a walk through the cabin to our seats in row 18. The 787 is laid out in a 333 configuration. Pretty comfortable looking seats with the adjustable headrest. Arriving at our seats, it's time to settle in and take a good look around and see where we'll be sitting for the next 7 hours or so. First up, let's take a look at the tray table. Little click, pull it out, fold over in half, and you have a perfectly adequate sized table for meals and any work. Above the tray table, you have another little compartment which you pull down, can hold your phone so you can watch your phone or tablet while in flight. Down in the seat back pocket, we have the safety card and the sick bag. Also in the seat back pocket, which I've previously put there, that was on our seat on arrival, was these in-flight headphones and the amenity kit, which we will go through once we are in the air. Another nice touch for Qatar in economy is the blanket and pillow also left at your seat. Leg rooms are plenty, which is good because I was sat in the middle of the middle three. A reasonable sized screen in the headrest of the seat in front, showing the safety video, and now we'll take a look at the entertainment. A quick telling off for having my phone charging before we'd even took to the air. First up, let's have a look at the world map. While taking delivery of a refreshing towel. Next up, my favourite feature on these in-flight entertainments, the camera view, which you see below, in front and from the tail behind of the aircraft you're travelling in. Next up, the entertainment. Plenty of movies and TV shows to choose from, music channels and games will keep you occupied on any flight. Now we're ready for departure. Let's have a quick look at the underground camera and see the aircraft taxiing along towards the end of the runway. And we're up, that's airborne on our way to Doha. Let's take a look at the amenity kit and what we get inside here. The usual suspects inside the amenity kit: mask, earbuds, toothpaste and toothbrush, and a comfy pair of socks. Next up, the bit I was waiting for the most on this Qatar flight. After hearing so much about the food, I could not wait to try the menu. Now look at this. Tender beef with mashed potatoes, a nice bread roll, a side of salad, a chocolate mousse, and a bottled water and your choice of beverage. I went for a beer. After the food, decided to do a quick toilet review. It had all the features you needed: hand spray, hand soap, and it was kept clean throughout the flight. Just before landing, we were offered the second food service, which was this all-day roll, just for arrival in Doha at 6:30 AM, along with a fresh orange juice. And here we are at 6:30 AM, arriving in Doha, 40-degree heat already. We had to walk down the stairs into the shuttle bus for a lift to the terminal for our connecting flight. Overall, really impressed with Qatar, especially in economy. You got what you wanted, you got what you needed, and they got you there safely. I'll be back next week, where I'll be reviewing Aer Lingus, Manchester to Orlando. Until then, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.